A warm welcome to today's video. Today I'll show you how to make a coffee properly with a French press. In step 1 you will boil water till 100 degrees Celsius. Then warm the cup and warm the French press. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the French press. And now add the water slowly in circling moves to the French press. And stir it well. Now wait at about 3.5 minutes and then press the button at the French press down. And now you have a wonderful flavory hot cup of fresh coffee. Please give me a thumbs up and take an abo to this channel. Thank you, bye bye, ciao.